Good morning, student. Welcome back to our math session. Today I will send you one activity on circle. Okay. So for this activity, you have to draw three circle of equal radius. Okay. So you have to draw three circle on color paper or craft paper of equal radius. For example, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, as you wish. Okay. Then you have to take one circle and stick in your notebook. Okay, so here you have to stick one circle in your notebook. So in first circle you have to indicate the center point. Okay, this is your center point. When you have draw a circle by using rounder, you get a center point. Okay, I take here a sketch pen. Okay, then you have to write the name. What is this? This is a center, so you have to write the name. This is center point. Okay, central of the circle. Then next you have to draw here radius of the circle. Again you have to take sketch pen, then draw a radius of the circle. Okay, so this is radius of the circle. And then in this figure you have to draw one diameter. Okay, the diameter means passing through the center. Okay, so this is diameter of the circle. So write here diameter. Okay, so in this way you have to draw a one circle and show radius, center and diameter. Then again you have to draw here, you stick to another circle. Okay, so again we stick here second circle in your notebook. Okay, so here I stick here one more circle here. Now this is third circle is another color. Okay, you have to take different color. So here you have to make a, here you have to fold this circle. Okay, this is 4 times. Again if you want to, you have to fold it again. Okay, so in this way you have to get the sector of the circle. So I will fold here 4 times only, 2 times. Okay, so here we get this 4 part. So I take here, I cut here one part. Okay, see, this is sector. So again you have to indicate here center point. Okay, and from center point you have to stick this part. Okay, so here this is sector of the circle. So I stick here. Okay, this is sector. Then you have to write the name. Write name here. You have to draw, this is one radius, then second radius. Okay, and this is your center point. So write the name. This is radius. Again this is radius of the circle. And what is this? This is arc. Okay, this is the arc of the circle. This is arc, and this the part we get here from 2 radius and 1 arc. This part is enclosed in 2 radius and 1 arc. We get here sector. So you have to write a name here, sector. Okay, then you have to make a segment. Segment means you have to a sector. Okay, this is sector. Then you have to make segment. Segment enclosed between arc and chord. Okay, so first you have to, again you have to take this circle and cut the point, cut one part of the circle. Okay, so here this we get here segment. Again you have to stick this segment here. Okay, now we stick here, this is segment. Now segment means the part enclosed between arc of the circle and chord of the circle is called segment. So write here the name. Again you have to write the name. This is arc. And what is this? This is, here this is chord. Chord of the circle. And the part we get here, what is this? The part of this here we get here is called a segment. So write the name here, segment. Okay, in this way you have to do your activity. Okay, in first circle you have to draw a circle, then show the radius, center and diameter, and in second circle you have to show the sector, how to make a sector and a segment. Okay, these two activity you have to complete in your notebook. Okay, so and here you have to write the name also. Okay, so here I write here O, so you have to write here center O. Okay, then radius O A, and this is P Q is diameter. Okay, so write here P Q diameter, radius is O A. Okay, this label in this way. Then here arc, you have to write again name here. This is center point O, this A is radius A and B, A O B or A B O. So write here O A B, we start from center, so write the sector O B A. This is sector O B A. Okay, and here radius, which radius here? O A, and here which radius? O B, and arc A B. How to show the arc? In this way, indicate the arc this way. A B is arc. Then here segment, this is chord. Write the name of chord, P Q. Okay, so write here P Q is the chord of the center. This arc, now again here we write here one more point here to show the name of the segment. We take the one more point here, that is S. So P and Q, see this is arc. Again we write this P Q, this is one arc. Okay, this way arc. Here this is segment, so we write the slipping line. This is arc, so we write this type of symbol. And the segment, the name of segment is segment PSQ. Okay, so in this way we write the name of segment also. You have to write the segment PSQ or PQ also. Okay, so in this way you have to complete your activity in your notebook. Okay, thank you.